Hello everyone and welcome back to Tech Idea. Here we make tutorials on topics that might be helpful to you in one way or the other. And today we're going to be talking about the Steam summer sale that's going on right now. So as you all know, summer holidays have already begun. Many people are enjoying their vacation, but if you're a gamer and you want to buy some games for really cheap, don't worry, Steam's got your back, cause Steam summer sale is right here. It started on the 23rd of June and it's gonna be ongoing for quite some time. I'm gonna say until the end of July, but hey, don't take my word for it. Make sure you get the games you want. They have tons of games that you can buy from, tons of games that are going super cheap. For example, look at this. This game is only Left 4 Dead 2 is only going for 69 rupees. Yes, that is Indian currency right there, and that is, my friend, super cheap. Then we've got Valheim over here, a very popular game, and right so it's only going for 370 rupees. That is a very cheap indeed. You've got The Forest going for 132 rupees. Now, my friend, if I had money, I would have bought that game already. So, as you can see, the sales are ongoing right now. It's super cheap and super affordable. So make sure you tune in to the Steam summer sale and get the games you want to buy. So, with that being said, I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, please drop a like, and if you want to see more videos like this in the future, don't forget to hit that subscribe button as well as that notification bell. Thank you so much for watching. Bye bye.